Welcome to the Colonial Square Cooperative. Located on 40 acres in southeast Ann Arbor, really nicely located near Mitchell School and Scarlett Middle School. Which I think is true, I better make sure. That's all mentioning Scarlett. Welcome to the Colonial Square Cooperative. Located very conveniently in southeast Ann Arbor next to some birds that are yelling. Welcome to the Colonial Square Cooperative. It's located in southeast Ann Arbor. Welcome to the Colonial Square Cooperative. Welcome to the Welcome to the Colonial Square Cooperative. Conveniently located in Welcome to the Colonial Square Cooperative, conveniently located in southeast Ann Arbor on 40 acres, right near Mitchell Elementary School and Scarlett Middle School. Here you have a little different way of living than most people are. The homes at Colonial Square offer a little different way of living. They're very efficient, they're all put together. It's kind of like they're smaller, very efficient. They're smaller, very efficient homes in a townhouse or, it's more of a community living. There's a lot of homes that are close together, almost like an apartment complex or a condo, but the homes at Colonial Square offer a different way of living. The homes in Colonial Square are a different type of housing and it offers a different way of living. And stop squeaking. The homes at Colonial Square offer a different kind of home. The homes in Colonial Square are a different type of housing and offer a different kind of living. And you're going to have to go upstairs.